Hey, this is a quick demo for Playtext, which is a text-to-speech app that enables you to turn any piece of text into an audiobook and read 2 times faster. Let me show you how it works. Here's a random article from the web. Now let's click on the extension icon to capture this entire page and turn it into a playable text. The article is ready to play. This is a distraction-free environment designed to help you focus on reading and increase retention. You can speed things up, allowing you to get into the zone and read 2 times to 3 times faster. This article is longer than 1 hour, so cutting it by half is a huge time saver. Another thing you can see is that I haven't touched my mouse yet. Every single input can be controlled via shortcuts. We can play and pause using space, we can spin things up or slow things down pressing S or D, or we can jump around blocks using the arrow keys. Now let me show you 2 other ways you can add content into Playtext. You can capture articles by pasting any link here, which is particularly useful if you're on your phone, or you can use our editor to copy and paste any piece of text, such as book chapters or PDFs, to create your own Playtext. Finally, the inbox is the place where you can access everything you saved so you can read it later or listen on the go. And that's it. Give Playtext a try and let me know what you think.